Welcome to MarineMax Crosslake. We are in our detail shed at the moment because we just got a 2003 Cobalt 226 on trade. This is a 22.5-foot boat. Starting in the midship, you'll notice an L couch that wraps around to the port side. And then we have a bucket seat here that's completely swivel with a bolster cushion. The captain's seat is the same way. In front of the port seat, we have a lockable glove box. This is really convenient when you want to keep your keys, phone, wallet locked away while you're having dinner out on the docks. There is a Sony CD player in here with an aux port, so you can plug in your phone the old school way. The flooring is tan carpet, but that is snap-in, so you can take that out for easy power washing. Here at the helm, we have analog gauges with flip switch controls that have red indicator lights so you can see what's fired up and what's not. On the right side, we have a stereo remote. As we move toward the bow, the carpet snaps up and we actually have subfloor ski locker. If you just flip the D-ring, you'll notice that it's lined with some non-skid material to keep your belongings nice and tucked away while you're underway. In addition to the windshield, we have a bifold bow door that helps you have a more comfortable environment in the cockpit away from the elements as you're cruising across the lake. Here in the bow, we do have cup holders and really plush seating, giving you a comfortable ride in the front of the boat. The backrests do flip up and give you really deep storage, where we also have some filler cushions tucked away. At the transom, there is a door with a walk-through area. A 12-volt air compressor is tucked away in its own designated storage space to keep you aired up on the water. This is a manual engine hatch with a Volvo Penta 5.7-liter GXI inboard-outboard motor, so it is stern drive. There's about 800 hours on the boat, and there's a bimini that's included with this boat too that actually has a designated storage space down there to keep it tucked out of the way when you're not ready to use it. This boat does come with a trailer, and you can see more information about it on our website, MarineMax.com, cncboatworks.com, or stop in today to our showroom and see it for yourself. We'd be happy to show you around.